Find the remainder in the expression 2581 whole square, 2581 whole square, 2862 whole square, 2873 whole cube, 2873 whole cube divided by 23. Divided by 23. Now see here. It is a very simple question where you divide the numerator values with the denominator. 2581. 23 ones are 23. 28. 23 ones are 23. 51. 23 twos are 46. 5 square. 5 square is 25. Similarly here. 23 ones are 23. 56. 23 twos are 46. 102. 102 means 23 fours are 92. 10. 10 square is 100. 23 ones are 23. 57. 23 twos are 46. 113. 23 fives are 115. Minus 2. Minus 2 cube is minus 8. Divided by 23. So these are nothing but 23 ones are 23. It is 2. 23 fours are 92. It is 8. And it is minus 8 divided by 23. So this will become remainder 8 8s are 64. 64 means 23 3s are 69. So it is 69 64 minus 5. Minus into minus plus. So 10 divided by 23. 10 divided by 23. Answer is nothing but 10. Answer is nothing but 10. I hope the idea is clear. Next question. Remainder 1. 17 power 23. 17 power 23 plus 29 power 23 divided by 23. Divided by 23. You can solve this problem in two methods. Method 1. Method 1 is negative remainder concept. Method 1 is negative remainder concept. What is this negative remainder concept? 23 ones are 23. What is the negative remainder? Minus 6. Minus 6 power 23. 23 ones are 23. What is the positive remainder? Plus 6. Minus 6 power 23 plus 6 power 23. It will get cancelled. I will get answer 0. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. A power n plus b power n. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. A power n plus b power n is always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. 17 power 23 plus 29 power 23. Power is 23, which is an odd number. It is always divisible by a plus b. 17 plus 29 is 46. It is divisible by 46. Any number divisible by 46 is also divisible by 23. Is also divisible by 23. So answer for this question is 0. Answer for this question is 0. Again I am explaining. First method by using negative remainder concept. 23 ones are 23. Minus 6 power 23 plus 6 power 23. Minus 6 power 23 plus 6 power 23. It will get cancelled. So answer is 0. Second case, a power n plus b power n is also always divisible by a plus b if n is an odd number. 23 is an odd number. 17 power 23 plus 29 power 23 is always divisible by 46. Any number divisible by 46 is also divisible by 23. I hope the 10th question is clear. 11th question. Find the remainder when 27 power 35. Find the remainder when 27 power 35 divided by 26. 26 ones are 26. Positive remainder is 1. Positive remainder for this question is 1. I hope the 11th question is also clear. 12th question. Find the remainder when 25 power 25. 25 power 25 divided by 26. 26 ones are 26. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power 25 is minus 1. Positive remainder is 26 minus 1 is 25. 26 minus 1 is 25. 13th one, these are all basic elementary questions which can be solved very easily. 25 power 30 divided by 26. So this will become 26 ones are 26. Negative remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 power even is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 power even is nothing but plus 1. 14th question. Find the remainder when 2 power 501. 2 power 501 is divided by 9. 2 power 501 is divided by 9. Which power of 2 when divided by 9? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 9 is minus 1. So 2 cube power, these 3 16s are 48, 3 7s are 2 cube, 3 into 167 is 501 divided by 9. 8 divided by 9. 8 divided by 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 power 167 divided by 9. Answer is always minus 1. Answer is always minus 1. I hope the idea is clear. 14th one. 15th question. 15th onwards the level of remainder problems will increase. Remainder 1. 32 power 32 when divided by 7. 32 power 32 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28, which is 4. 4 power 32 divided by 7. 4 power 32 divided by 7. Which power of 4 when divided by 7? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube is 64. 4 cube power 10 into 4 square divided by 7. 64 divided by 7. 7 9s are 63. Remainder is 1. 1 into 16 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. Positive remainder is 2. Positive remainder is 2. Again I am explaining. If the numerator base is greater than the denominator, first make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 4. 4 power 32 divided by 7. Which power of 4 when divided by 7? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube power 10 into 4 square divided by 7. 4 cube is 64. 64 divided by 7 is 1. 16 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. Right? Remainder is 2. 16th question. Remainder 1. 11 power 11 is divided by 9. Make the numerator base smaller than the denominator. 9 1s are 9. Remainder is 2. 2 power 11 divided by 9. 2 power 11 divided by 9. Which power of 2 when divided by 9? I will get plus 1 or minus 1. So it is nothing but 2 cube power 3 into 2 square divided by 9. 8 divided by 9 minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. If it is minus 4, positive remainder is 5. 8 divided by 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Positive remainder will be 5. I hope all the 16 problems are clear to you. 17th problem. Remainder 1. 7 power 52 is divided by 2402. 2402. In this question what you need to do is check which power of 7 when divided by 2402 will give you plus 1 or minus 1. 7 square is 49. 7 power 4 is 7 square into 7 square. 7 square is 49. 49 into 49. 49 square is nothing but 2401. 2401. So these are nothing but remainder 1. 7 power 4 power 13 divided by 2402. 7 power 4 is 2401. 2401 power 13 divided by 2402. 2401 divided by 2402 is minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Answer is nothing but 2401. 2401. I hope the idea is clear. 17th idea, I hope it is clear. 18th, a very good question on reminders. Reminder 1. 30 power 40 divided by 17. 17 2s are 34, which is minus 4. Minus 4 power 40. Minus 4 power 40 divided by 17. Minus power even is plus. So these nothing but 4 power 40. 4 power 40 divided by 17, which is nothing but 4 square power 20. 4 square power 20 divided by 17. 16 divided by 17 is minus 1. Minus 1 power even. Minus 1 power even is nothing but plus 1. Minus 1 power even is nothing but plus 1. I hope these two questions are clear to you. 19th. We are increasing the level of the problems. 19th is a very, very good question. Reminder 1. 32 power 32 power 32. 32 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. 32 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. First thing, it is nothing but 7 4s are 28. So it is nothing but remaining 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. Which power of 4? Which power of 4 when divided by 7 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube divided by 7 is minus 1, plus 1. Don't do minus 1, because if you do minus 1, unnecessarily you have to check the power of the power. If minus 1 power even number is 1, minus 1 power odd number is minus 1. You have to check whether the power is an odd number or an even number. But in this case of 1 power any natural number is 1. After this, take this power, divide with this power. So if I do it, 32 power 32. 32 power 32 divided by 3. 3 11s are 33. Minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 32 power 32 when divided by 3, positive remainder is 1. So this is nothing but remainder of 4 power 3k plus 1 when divided by 7, which is nothing but a remainder of 4 power 3 power k into 4 power 1 divided by 7. This is nothing but 1. 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. I hope the idea is clear. Again I am explaining you for the second time. 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 4. 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 7. After this step is extremely important. Which power of 4 when divided by 7 I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 4 cube divided by 7 is plus 1. Divide 32 power 32 by 3. 3 11s are 33, minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 32 power 32 when divided by 3. How much it is getting divided we don't know. Quotient is k. 32 power 32 is 3k plus 1. So 4 power 3k plus 1 by 7. 4 cube power k into 4 by 7. Answer is 4. Idea is clear, right? I hope the 19th problem is clear. If it is not clear to you, let us do one more question. Now, reminder 1. Reminder 1. 32 power 32 power 32 divided by 9. I will do it in two methods. Method 1. I will do negative remainder. 9 4s are 36. Minus 4. Minus 4 power even is plus. So 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 9. I hope it is clear. Minus power even, it became plus. So now see here. Remainder 1. 4 cube divided by 9. 64 divided by 9. 9 7s are 63. It is 1. Now what you do is 32 power 32. 32 power 32 divided by 3. 3 11s are 33. Minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 32 power 32 is nothing but 3k plus 1. So these is nothing but a remainder of 4 power 3k plus 1 when divided by 9. So these are nothing but 4 power 3 power k into 4 power 1 divided by 9. 64 divided by 9 is 1. 1 into 4 is 4. I hope the first method is clear. First method what I did by using negative remainder. 9 4s are 36. Remainder is minus 4. Minus 4 power even is plus 4. So 4 power 32 power 32 divided by 9. 4 cube divided by 9 is plus 1. So 32 power 32 when divided by 3 is nothing but 3 11s are 33. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 32 power 32 will become 3k plus 1. I hope 20th question it is clear to you. In case if you want to do method 2, method 2 also you can do by using positive remainder. 9 3s are 32 power 32 power 32 divided by 9. 9 3s are 27. Positive remainder is 5. 5 power 32 power 32 divided by 9. Now see here. Now determining which power. Sir, can I take minus 1? You can also take minus 1, which I will show you in this example. 5 cube divided by 9. 5 cube is nothing but 125 divided by 9. 9 4s are 126 minus 1. Minus 1. If I take minus 1, what will happen? Let us see. So 32 power 32 divided by 3. 3 11s are 33. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. So 32 power 32 when divided by 3, it is giving you how much? 3k plus 1. Are you all with me? Now if you see here, 32 power 32, 32 is an even number. Even number power any number, it is an even number. This is an odd number. This is an odd number. This will also be an odd number. Something into 3 into something is an odd. So k will be an odd number. K will be an odd number. K is an odd number. Now in this question, we determined the nature of k. Why the nature of k is required? Because minus 1 power odd will give you minus 1. Minus 1 power even number will give you plus 1. Again I am explaining. 9 3s are 27. 5 power 32 power 32 divided by 9. 5 cube divided by 9 is minus 1. 125 divided by 9 is minus 1. So I divided 32 power 32 by 3. 3 11s are 33 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is plus 1. 32 power 32 is 3k plus 1. 32 is an even number. 1 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. Odd into something should only be odd. Odd plus odd only is even. So k should be an odd number. So what do we got finally? 32 power 32 is 3k plus 1. 5 power 3k plus 1 when divided by 9. So here it is nothing but 5 power 3 power k into 5 power 1 divided by 9. 125 by 9 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 5. Positive remainder is plus 4. Positive remainder is plus 4. I hope the idea is clear. Positive remainder is plus 4. So both plus 1 and minus 1 can be used. If it is minus 1, you have to determine the power. Power, whether nature, whether it is even or odd. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free, ANC.